Alright, we're working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL. And I put the studded snow tires on today. And there was excessive play here, but I was able to get it corrected. It turned out what was going on was the nut that holds the axle in place was actually loose. So I just tightened it really tight with a big 3/4 inch breaker bar and a socket, and now it's just fine. When I put the engine and transmission in, I believe that I just used an impact on that, but it worked, and the other side's holding fine. So, and I checked it, now everything's good to go for winter. This is actually a very nice car. You know, been well taken care of. It's just stock, but everything in it works. So, and that makes me very happy. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.